afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our 24th episode of MSME Masterclass. Today, we have with us Rajat Gupta, who is the CEO of Superstar Steels, a leading player in the steel manufacturing industry. With a rich legacy of excellence and a forward-looking vision, Superstar Steels is at the forefront of delivering high-quality steel products that shape industries and contribute to global sustainability efforts. With over 2 decades of experience and a background in production engineering, Rajat sir spearheads the company's production endeavors, ensuring a blend of quality and financial prudence for sustainable success. Welcome to our MSME Masterclass, sir. We're pleased to have you on today's episode.
Thank you for these kind words. I'm really flattered by my introduction, and so nice of you.
So today, since our topic of discussion is innovations and challenges in the pre-painted galvalume, which is PPGI, and cold rolled, which is CR coils, we will begin the discussion, which is more to do with innovations and best practices. But before we get into the best practices and innovations part of it, I would like to understand from you, sir, with regards to what are the unique challenges that these MSMEs could encounter when they are especially in the manufacturing side of it for PPG and CR steel?
There are various challenges that as an MSME we face. Firstly, ensuring consistent in quality of PPGI and CR steel. We have to choose the good raw material, then is the machinery performance and the process parameters. Also, choosing the right raw material with the suitable chemical composition and physical properties is crucial for producing high quality PPGI and CR products. Also, optimizing the manufacturing process to achieve higher production rates while maintaining product quality is more of a very big challenge for us.
Sorry, sir, I'm cutting you here. Just wanted to understand. So while we understand there are a couple of unique, challenges that the industry is facing, there could be some technical hurdles as well, which MSMEs face while producing PPG and CR steel. Could you just share some insights into those?
You need the technical challenges like there is a market volatility. The market of the CR sheets and PPGI is mostly the sentiment-driven market influenced by various factors like technical, festivals, occasions, and global economic conditions. This volatility affects buying sentiments of the buyer and the purchasing decisions. By making the market forecast, they change their decisions to buy the products. Secondly, the price fluctuation is the major factor that is a technical hurdle for us, because the larger mill produces the full coil bit, coil and standard thickness, and we have to customize the material according to the customer choice in terms of the quantity and sizes. The customization makes us more susceptible to price fluctuation in raw material and operational cost, impacting our high pricing strategy and profitability. The demand for PPGI is also influenced by seasonal factors such as rainy season, which affect us a lot in the sales volume and revenue streams of our MSME. Being located in a landlocked state, we face the challenge in competing in international market due to the higher logistic cost. We incur an additional cost of 4,000 rupees for the raw material that we get the incoming raw material, and the same cost is beared by us when we export the raw material. So making it difficult for us to give a competitive pricing in the export market. Secondly, lastly but not leastly, today is the time of just-in delivery. As the customer gives us the order and he needs an immediate delivery, managing inventory levels to meet the immediate customer needs while minimizing holding cost and lead time is a significant challenge for us. These hurdles highlight the importance of agility, adaptability, and innovative strategies for MSME like us to navigate the competitive landscape and sustain growth in the steel manufacturing industry.
Understood.
Yeah.
So now we move on to the product innovation part of it. So what kind of product innovation techniques or technologies are MSMEs adopting to enhance the quality and efficiency of PPG and CR steel manufacturing?
In the evolving landscape of PPGI and CR steel, manufacturers like MSME like us are adopting various innovative production techniques and technologies to enhance our quality and efficiency. Firstly, while the core process of cold rolling mills and PPGI production remains consistent globally, the level of automation implemented in manufacturing plants can significantly impact our efficiency and product quality. We are actively exploring various automation technologies to streamline our operation, reduce our manual intervention, and improve the production consistency. Secondly, energy efficiency is a major factor, shifting to cleaner and more cost-effective fuels for attaining the required temperatures in manufacturing process in both अपना cold rolling and PPGI processes and another area of focus by us. By adopting alternative fuel sources, we aim to reduce our environmental footprints, lower the operational costs, and enhance energy efficiency in our production facilities. These innovative approaches reflect our commitment to embracing technology advancement and sustainable practice to stay competitive, improve product quality, and meet the changing demands of the steel industry.
All right, noted, sir. So, sir, can you share some insights on how do MSME steel manufacturers tailor the properties of PPG and CR steel to meet the diverse customer requirements? Because there are many that they generally come up with.
Yeah, MSME steel manufacturing, including us, employ various strategies to tailor the properties of PPGI and CR to meet the diverse customer requirements. Some of these are unlike larger mills that produce standardized product. MSME like us have to be flexible to customize PPGA and CR steels based on specific customer requirement in terms of dimensions, coating, mechanical properties. This customization allows us to cater to diverse industries such as cycle industry, manufacturing, agricultural, auto, hand tools, roofing, solar panels. We carefully select the raw material with the specific chemical composition and physical properties to achieve the desired characteristics in PPG and steel. By varying the alloying elements and process parameters, we can tailor the strength, ductility, corrosion, resistance, and other properties to meet individual customer specifications. For PPGI, we utilize advanced coating technologies to provide various finishes, coating, color, protective coatings that meets the preferences and performance requirements. These include implementing innovative paintings and coating process to enhance durability, weather resistance, and appearance of the finished product. Also, rigorous quality assurance protocols and testing procedures are implemented by us that are tailored for PPG and CR steel products to meet the standard requirements and specification. They include the mechanical testing, chemical analysis, coating performance evaluations to validate the product quality and performance. Also, engaging with the customer throughout the product development and customization process allow us to better understand their specific needs, preferences, and feedback. This collaboration approaches enable us to refine our product continuously and deliver solutions that exceed customer expectations. By using these strategies, MSME like us in steel manufacturing can effectively tailor the properties of PPGA and CR steel to make the diverse evolving requirements of various industries and customers, ensuring customer satisfaction and driving business growth for us.
All right, noted. So, we have been discussing customer requirements. Could you also discuss with our audience any recent developments that have happened in material customization or alloy formulations to achieve specific performance characteristics?
Certainly, it's a good question. Recent developments in material customization and alloy formation are driven by evolving demands of modern industry and technology advancements. You can't turn an eye after the industry is growing and the new technologies are evolving. Firstly, with the shift from the diesel and other vehicles to electric vehicles, EV, and fuel-efficient vehicles, the growing emphasis is on lightweight to improve energy efficiency and extend battery range. Advanced alloy formulations include high-strength steel and aluminum alloys that are being developed to replace the traditional material in automotive components. reducing their weight without compromising on strength and safety. Also, the development of high strength and AHS grade offers enhanced mechanical properties, including high tensile strength. They give more formability, more ductility, and better crash resistance. These alloys are being used in various applications across the industries, such as automotive, construction, and aerospace, to achieve specific performance characteristics and meet regulatory conditions. Innovation in alloy formulation are focusing on enhancing corrosion resistance to prolong the lifespan of the product in harsh environments. So basically, the specialized coating and alloy composition that we use are being developed to protect the steel products from corrosion, ensuring durability and reducing the maintenance cost. Moreover, now we are using the new technologies in coating and to enhance the surface properties of steel products, including wear resistance, thermal stability, and aesthetical appearance. These advanced coating are applied using innovative processes to achieve the specific performance and characteristics tailored to application and requirements. The development of eco-friendly alloys and materials with improved recyclability is gaining momentum to address environmental concerns and regulatory requirements. Also, the alloy formulations that incorporate the recycled materials or minimize environmental impact are being researched and implemented to create sustainable solutions for various industries. These are some of the recent developments that we are also using in alloy formulation that reflect the industry commitment to innovation, sustainability, and meeting the diverse performance of the requirement of modern applications. As technology continues to advance, we can expect further advancement in the alloy design and material science to drive future of the steel manufacturing.
Okay, so we've observed there are stringent quality control measures that generally happens throughout the production process of PPGI and CR steel. Could you tell us how do MSMEs ensure these stringent quality control measures are, consistent throughout the production process?
Yeah. Nowadays, if you want to sell any material, you have to be consistent in the quality. Otherwise, you are a failure. Your product fails at any stage. So for that, we implement a cohesive quality management system that encompasses the standardized procedures, protocols, and documentation to monitor and control at every stage of the production process. This systematic approach ensures consistency, traceability, and compliance with the industry standard and customer specifications. We also use state-of-art testing equipment and inspection techniques to evaluate the physical and mechanical and chemical properties of the raw material, intermediate products, and finished good. They include conducting mechanical tests, chemical analysis, coating performance, evaluation, and visual inspection to identify any defects or inconsistencies. Also, the real-time monitoring of the production parameters and performance metric enables us to identify potential issues promptly and implement corrective actions. Regular audit also we do, feedback loop, and performance reviews are conducted by us to ensure continuous improvement and adherence to the quality standards. Also, nowadays, investing in the employee training and skill development program ensures that our workforce is knowledgeable, competent, and committed to maintain high quality standards. Regular training sessions on quality control procedures, equipment operations, and best practices foster a culture of quality excellence across the organization. Moreover, collaborating with the trusted suppliers and conducting rigorous quality checks on incoming raw materials and components ensure that we use high quality input in our manufacturing process. Half of our problem is solved if we use the input material very good. Supplier audits, quality assessments, and performance evaluation are conducted to verify compliances with our quality standard and specifications. Lastly, engaging with the customer to gather their feedback, address concern, and understand their quality expectation enable us to continuously improve the product and service. Customer satisfaction survey we do, review and feedback mechanism are integral part of our system. and that these help us meet the and exceed customer expectations. So these are some of the steps that we used for stringent quality control in our units.
Understood. So we know that it's a competitive market for every industry and more so for MSMEs. So how do MSME steel manufacturers compete with their PPGI and CR steel products with larger companies?
A very tricky question. Competing with the larger companies in a competitive market is indeed a challenging process for MSME steel manufacturers due to factors like production volumes, inventory holding capacity, market insights. However, as an MSME, we adopt strategic approaches to differentiate themselves and carve out a niche in the market of PPGI and CR steel products. Some of the strategies that we employ are like focusing on specialized products or niche market where larger companies may not have a stronger presence. It is a viable strategy by offering customized solution, unique quoting or specialized service tailored to specific industry or applications. MSME, as in MSME, we differentiate themselves and attract customers seeking specialized products. As an MSME, we can leverage their agility and flexibility to adapt quickly to the changing market. We understand the customer requirement as an emerging trend, and quick response time when personalized service and flexible production capabilities are the differentiator that as an MSME we make us different from the larger companies. Also, building strong relationship with the customer and providing exceptional service is a more competitive advantage for us. Understanding the customer needs and offering personalized solution and providing reliable support before, during, after sales also foster a loyalty and long-term partnership with them. We invest in research and development, adopting innovative technologies and continuously improving product quality and process also help us stay ahead of the curve and meet evolving customer demands. By innovating the offering value-added products and services, we create a competitive edge in the market. Also, the collaborating with the industry partners, suppliers, stakeholders, and participating in trade shows, exhibitions, networking also help us in expand reach and build brand awareness and identify new business opportunities in the market. Building a strong network and fostering collaboration can also open new doors for new market, customer, and growth for us. So, lastly, we at any stage we cannot compete with the large companies, but we foster a relation with them or by giving them some finance services for finance opportunities and lower the price with them to compete with the larger companies.
Okay, we've understood, and we've been reading and hearing a lot of people talk about sustainable practices, whether it's for larger companies or for MSMEs. What, according to you, are the sustainable practices MSMEs are implementing to minimize the environmental footprint of PPGI and CR steel production?
Implementing sustainable practices is crucial for MSME like us to minimize the environmental footprints of PPGI and CR in the steel production. Some of the practices that we implement, or as an MSME we should implement, are switching from diesel to a cleaner fuel option such as natural gas and LPG that reduces carbon footprints in the atmosphere. These gases are used for heating and annealing process, reduces greenhouse emissions, improve combustion efficiency, and minimize the air pollution. This transition to cleaner fuels align with the commitment to environmental sustainability and regulatory compliances. Moreover, investing in energy efficient technologies, equipment upgrades, and process optimization initiative help us reduce our energy consumption and operational cost. Implementing energy management system, conducting energy audits, and adopting best practices for energy conservation contributes to the minimizing our environmental impact and the carbon footprints. Moreover, now it's today's time is of recycling, so implementing waste reduction strategies, promoting recycling of water we use, optimizing material usage, help minimize waste generation, conserve resources, and reduce landfill disposals. Recycling scrap metal, optimizing raw material utilization, and implementing waste segregation and recycling programs are integral to our sustainable practice. We also use water conservation, water saving technologies, optimizing water usage, and recycling water in production process to help conserve water resources and reduce water consumption. Also, ensuring the compliance with the environmental regulation and obtaining relevant certificates like ISO, ISI, and conducting regular environment assessment help us maintain the environmental stewardship, mitigate environmental risk, and demonstrate our commitment to sustainable practices. Or lastly, embracing a culture of continuous improvement and fostering innovation and staying abreast of emerging sustainable technologies and practices enable us to adopt, innovate, and implement environmental friendly solutions across our operations. So these are some of the practices that as an MSME we use or MSME should use to be environment friendly and adhere to the regulatory commissions.
Okay, noted on that one. So, given the complexity of supply chain, how do MSMEs streamline logistics and procurement processes for raw materials and finished products?
Touchwood in the steel industry, managing logistic and procurement processes in the, like for MSME like us is a very smooth operation because it minimizes our cost and meet our customer expectation. For this, we establish a strategic partnership or sign MOUs or memorandum of understanding with the suppliers, distributors, and customers enable us to streamline logistic and optimize inventory management. Collaborative agreements with partners facilitate local warehousing, direct dispatch options, and coordinate transport solution reduce lead time and improving supply chain efficiency. Also, leveraging the government's investment in improving the logistic infrastructure, including dedicated freight corridors, road networks, and port facilities, help us optimize transportation routes, which reduce our transit time and minimize logistic cost. Utilizing modern logistic facilities and services enable us to enhance supply chain visibility, traceability, and reliability. Also, implementing advanced planning and forecasting tool, utilizing demand forecasting model, and conduct regular inventory analysis enable us to anticipate demand, optimize inventory level, and plan procurement activities effectively. Proactive planning and coordination with the suppliers and logistic partners help us minimize stockouts, reduce excess inventory, and improve supply chain responsiveness. Moreover, embracing digitalization, adopting advanced supply chain management system, and leveraging technology solutions such as ERP and TMS and IoT enable us to automate logistic and procurement processes that enhance our visibility and improve decision-making capabilities. Real-time tracking, data analysis, and performance monitoring facilitate continuous improvement in optimized supply chain operations. Also, implementing robust risk management strategies, developing contingency plan, and establishing alternative sourcing and transportation options help us mitigate supply chain disruptions, manage uncertainties, and maintain business continuity. Proactive risk assessment, scenario planning, and risk management preparation enable us to navigate challenges and maintain these operational resilience. So these are some of the factors that help us to maintain our logistic partners with us, so we don't get any problem in incurring the material and output of the material.
So we've generally typically faced a lot of questions in the past as well, on our multiple MSME Masterclass episodes where people have asked about, training programs and initiatives that they could possibly, implement in their companies to upskill their employees and equip them with necessary technical expertise. So with regards to PPGI and CR steel manufacturing, what do you think could be necessary technical expertise that you could use to upskill employees?
Well, in It's a very good question because in today's time, if you don't invest in employee, you are lacking behind. So investing in employee training and development is essential for MSMEs and like us to enhance technical expertise, improve productivity, and drive innovation in PPGI and cold rolling steel manufacturing. Some of the training programs and initiatives that we use for our employees, upskill our employees are like we offer specialized training, technical training program focusing on PPGI and CR steel manufacturing processes, equipment operations, quality control procedures, safety protocols. These hand-on training sessions provide employees with practical knowledge and skill required to perform their roles effectively and ensure product quality and consistency. To stay abreast of the technology advancement and industry's best practices, we organize workshops, seminars, and certificate program on advanced manufacturing technologies, automation, robotics, and digitalization. These programs empower employees to adopt to new technologies, improve process efficiency, and contribute to the innovation and continuous improvement initiatives. Also, ensuring compliance with the industry standards and regulations and quality assurance protocol. We conduct regular training sessions on quality management system, compliance requirements, and quality control methodologies to instill a culture of quality excellence and regulatory compliance among the employees. Also, safety at workplace is must for everyone. So for the workplace safety, health and environmental stewardship, we offer comprehensive training programs on safety procedures, hazard identification, risk mitigation, and environmental conservation practice. Ensuring a safe, sustainable work environment is paramount to us. And these training initiatives promote awareness, adherence to safety protocols, and responsible environmental practice among the employees. Moreover, recognizing the importance of interpersonal skill, communication, teamwork, and leadership abilities, we invest in soft skill trainings and leadership development programs. They help us enhance employee engagement, collaboration, problem solving capabilities, and leadership potential, fostering a positive work culture and empowering employees to excel in their roles. Moreover, development, encouraging continuous learning and professional development, we support employees' pursuit of further education, professional certifications, and skill development through tuition assistant programs, online learning platforms, and mentorship opportunities. By promoting lifelong learning and career growth, we empower our employees to adopt, grow, and thrive in their careers and also help us grow in our field.
Sir, looking ahead, what emerging trends do you foresee shaping the future of PPGI and CR steel production for MSMEs?
Look, the world is changing, so are the products changing. From heavy steel, we have come to a lighter steel. And in the emerging trends that pose the shape of future of PPGI and production, steel cold rolling production, some of the which I can tell are growing demand for PPGI in the is very growing. The increased demand of PPGI in roofing, solar panels, white good industry, construction sectors present a significant growth opportunities for us. As a cost-effective alternative to expensive materials like aluminium, tin, PPGI offers durability, versatility, aesthetical appearance, driving its adoption across various industries. Exploring new applications such as bicycle industry and expanding product offering to cater to evolving market demand. These further help us accelerate the growth in the PPGI segment. Also, with auto manufacturer increasingly adopting special or graded steel for enhancing efficiency, strength, and lightweight, there is a shift towards producing advanced material and alloy steels in CR steel segment. Investing in research and development, expanding product portfolios to include high strength, high performance steel, and collaborating with the steel partners to meet their stringent requirements can position MSME at forefront of this transition. Also, like it's a time for Industry 5, and in Industry 5, new technologies enhance operation efficiency, optimize production processes, and facilitate data-driven decision-making in PPG and steel manufacturing. Implementing these smart manufacturing solution, leveraging IoT, AI, and artificial intelligence, of course, and analytical can streamline operation, improve quality control, and drive innovation in product development. Moreover, the increasing emphasis on sustainability, environment conservation, and circular economy principle is influencing material selection, production processes, and product design in the steel industry. MSME can leverage sustainable practices, develop eco-friendly products, and adapt green manufacturing technologies to align with these market regulatory requirements and consumer preferences. Moreover, meeting the customer demand for customized solution, tailored products, and personalized service can differentiate MSME in a competitive market, offering flexible production capabilities, customization of options, and value-added services. Also enhance customer satisfaction. These foster loyalties and create unique selling proposition in PPGI and CR steel segments. So these are some of the practices that we use for which we are looking forward as an product for PPGI and CR steel.
So we have a question from our audience, and they would want to know, as Superstar Steel CEO, we are certain that there are many USPs that the company and its products have, and there could be best practices that the company follows and others aren't. So what are some of those that these companies could possibly implement in their company and become a successful MSME?
Yeah. It is a very good question. As an MSME, because you cannot compete with the larger companies, first of all, you will have to listen to what customer needs from you. You will have to understand his requirements. With that, if you understood his requirement, you can excel in your product by choosing the raw material, by choosing what he needs. And once he gets satisfaction in what we are delivering, if you are satisfied in what you are delivering to the customer, your customer will definitely come back to you, because it's a market of loyalty market. In this market, if the customer is getting what he is getting, what he wants, to the fully satisfied, and his product is made, then nobody can beat you in this market. So these are some practice. Moreover, we focus on environmental regulations. So we are continuously doing research and development on how to improve our design, recycle and reuse of water. Moreover, use cleaner fuel to minimize our cost. We are regular doing R&D and doing the finding replacement of the material, so that we can meet the customer requirement, and making him realize that what he is getting at this price, and he can get at the some material by doing some changes, he can get that same material at lower cost. So these are the few practices which we use.
So that was my last question for today's episode. While conversing with you, sir, we have addressed some of the audience questions that we were receiving in the Q&A section. However, if the attendees have any more questions that we've not answered, please write them in the Q&A section and we'll respond to you as soon as possible. With this, we come to an end to our today's episode. I would like to extend our gratitude to you, sir, for taking time out and sharing your detailed insights with our audience. It feels wonderful to have seasoned professionals like you in our MSME Masterclass. So thank you.
It's my pleasure for giving me a chance to appear on GSW1 and as an MSME. It's all pleasure in mine, and thank you for giving me the chance.
Thank you so much, sir. We hope we get to speak to you soon.
Sure. Thank you.